Most people get Reddit navigation wrong. They think the view mode is fixed. The truth is, Reddit offers multiple ways to view content, and changing it is simple once you know where to look. First, open Reddit on your PC or mobile app. On desktop, go to the subreddit you want to customize. At the top right, you'll see options like Card View, Classic View, or Compact View. Click any of these to switch instantly. Card View displays posts with thumbnails and summaries. Classic View shows posts in a traditional text format, and Compact View is minimal, letting you see more posts per page. On mobile, tap the three-line menu in the top right, select Settings, then scroll to Post Appearance. Here, you can toggle between Card, Classic, or Compact views. Most people get this wrong by thinking the mobile app doesn't allow changing views. It does. It's just tucked in the settings. You can also enable dark mode for a better viewing experience, which works across all view modes. The changes apply per subreddit or globally, depending on your choice. In conclusion, changing view mode on Reddit is easy and can significantly improve your browsing experience. Experiment with different modes to find what suits you best. Subscribe for more Reddit tips and tricks to enhance your experience on the platform.